Can we talk about why so many sex toys still feel like a power drill? Like, who told you that faster, more aggressive equals better? Because I need you to know that it doesn't. And honestly, it's in a lot of the intimacy advice online, where they seem to think that harder, faster, more speed, more intensity equals the vibe. And for a lot of women, it's actually not the vibe. It's actually opposite of the vibe. Real pleasure builds. It changes rhythm. It feels responsive. It feels human. So when a brand actually engineers a toy around this concept, you bet your ass I'm paying attention. Now here's what I want you to understand about your body. Sensation isn't about intensity. It's about variation. It's about rhythm. It's about that buildup. Think about it. A repetitive motion that never changes becomes numbing. Our nervous system literally starts to just tune it out completely. That's why so many people that crank a toy all the way up actually don't get there faster. Your body is craving something that feels intuitive, that responds to your body and responds to the natural shifts. Now, the difference between intensity and rhythm is fucking huge, mate. Intensity is gonna be that volume and rhythm is gonna be the song. You need both and they need to work together. Okay, so LELO. If you know, you know, and if you don't know, let me catch you up. Because LELO is not just a regular toy brand. They are one of the most luxurious toy brands in the industry. Not just because of the premium materials that they use, but the innovative tech. And to be honest, the kind of design that belongs on a shelf, not in your toy drawer. Now, I take my toy game very seriously, especially since I am a collector and I like to use a variety of them online, if you know what I mean. This is the INA Thrust. It is a dual-sided massager, meaning it massages internally, that G-spot, and externally on that clit. And both of them can go at the exact same time. But what makes this so different than any other rabbit vibe that I've ever used is the DynamicThrust. Now, this is LELO's patent technology, so no other toy out there is gonna have this type of thrust. Now, instead of the same back and forth motion that most thrusting toys do, where it feels robotic and mechanical, this one does something that is much more fluid, and it mimics what real intimacy feels like. When it comes to intensity levels, LELO has, I think, the highest range I have ever seen, going from super, super low vibration all the way up to crazy intensity. So in this toy, there's actually 16 levels of intensity. Now, there are 10 vibrational patterns. However, only 8 of them are on the toy itself. And then the last 2, which is out of control and the finish me off mode, is actually inside of the app. Yes, this toy can be controlled by an app. And if you didn't know about LELO's Love Bridge technology, then let me put you on to how amazing it is, because your partner can literally control this toy from anywhere. Now, obviously, it needs to be waterproof, because with this type of motion, you know the waves are gonna be intense. Boy, you are in the splash zone. This is about to be submerged. So 100% it is waterproof. In the shower, in the bathtub, or just from your natural fluids, you don't have to worry about getting like zoot zoot or electrocuted. I just wish you could step into the camera and just feel how soft their silicone is. It really is the highest grade of silicone I have ever felt on all of my toys. LELO's silicone is definitely built different because my silicone lube never warps and defects the actual silicone on the toy. It's freaking wild, you guys. Now, with that being said, I definitely recommend using it with water-based lube just because that's what you're supposed to use it with. But if you're like myself and you are loyal to silicones, you can do it. I said so. Just make sure you wash it right after. Trust me, my one from high school has been through the fucking ringer and it still looks the exact same. That is high quality silicone. And like I said, I have not seen that from any other toy company. Dead ass. Now let me tell you about my actual experience, or if you want to head down into the comment section, you can see my first experience with this toy. But like, the external arm is doing the most. Like, I was not prepared for that amount of clitoral stimulation, and normally I'm not a fan of like arm movement, but the way that it's like slowly rounded right at the end of it. Oh my God, it just like doesn't do that annoying little flick. It's like a gentle rub graze, but with speed and precision. It's fucking, I can't even speak. But the actual dance of the two arms together, like the synchronization was crazy. It is definitely not two separate things fighting for the attention. It felt like layered in the best way. Well, that clitoral arm is just doing it. It's just going. But my G-spot essentially was throbbing from like the get-go. Now the rhythm actually changes naturally. It does not just keep doing the exact same motion, but not in that annoying way. You know, when your boyfriend like switches up when you told him not to switch up. But my body was just responding so different. I was like, ah! This technology is absolutely crazy. I can't believe somebody actually sat down and engineered this. Now, if you're sitting there and you're like, Miranda, I've tried thrusting toys before. They are not the vibe. Girl or boy who's trying to buy for their partner, trust me when I say this one actually hits different. Hand over heart. It actually hits different. That thrusting power is like none other of my toys. Actually, I feel like it should just be in a completely different category. But if you want to hop on top and give this baby a spin, I gotta give you my promo code, Miranda20. That is gonna give you 20% off of any of LELO's toy products. And yes, bitch, it is stackable, meaning that you can use it on top of any existing sale that there is. Now, the link is in my description, and if you are wanting to see my experience for the first time with this toy, you will find it down there too. We are all worthy of pleasure that feels good. That is a baseline. That is a non-negotiable. That is not just luxury. That is I fucking want that for everybody. So go on, let me know if you ended up getting the toy and how much it rocked your world. Because I was sitting in a puddle. And I hope you're sitting in a puddle too. Bye, babies. I'll talk to you soon.